The circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system, is a complex network of organs and vessels that transport blood, nutrients, oxygen, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. 1. Heart. The muscular organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It's divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right side receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation, while the left side receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body. 2. Blood vessels. Arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart to various parts of the body. The largest artery is the aorta, which branches into smaller arteries. Veins transport deoxygenated blood back to the heart. The superior and inferior vena cavae are the largest veins that return blood to the heart. Capillaries, tiny blood vessels where the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste products occurs between the blood and body tissues. 3. Blood, composed of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells transport oxygen, white blood cells fight infections, platelets aid in clotting, and plasma carries nutrients, hormones, and waste products. 4. Blood circulation. The circulatory system operates in 2 circuits. Pulmonary circulation. Blood travels from the heart to the lungs and back, allowing for gas exchange. Systemic circulation. Oxygen-rich blood is pumped from the heart to the rest of the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and organs. 5. Functions of the circulatory system. Transportation of oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Regulation of body temperature, pH balance, and electrolyte levels. Protection against infections and diseases through white blood cells and antibodies. 6. Heartbeat and cardiac cycle. The heart contracts and relaxes in a rhythmic cycle known as the cardiac cycle, controlled by electrical impulses. This cycle includes systole and diastole of the heart chambers. 7. Disorders and diseases. Various conditions affect the circulatory system, such as hypertension, coronary artery disease, heart failure, stroke, aneurysms, and arrhythmias. The process of delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing carbon dioxide involves the complex workings of the cardiovascular and respiratory systems. 1. Oxygen and nutrients delivery. Blood circulation. Oxygen and nutrients, such as glucose, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, are transported through the bloodstream. The heart pumps oxygen-rich blood from the lungs to the rest of the body via arteries. Capillary exchange. Arteries branch into smaller vessels called arterioles, which further divide into capillaries, the smallest blood vessels. Capillaries are where the exchange takes place. Oxygen diffuses from the capillaries into the surrounding tissues, facilitated by concentration gradients. Simultaneously, nutrients pass from the capillaries into the cells to support their function and energy needs. 2. Carbon dioxide removal. Cellular metabolism. As cells carry out metabolic processes, they produce carbon dioxide as a waste product. Capillary transport. Carbon dioxide diffuses from the cells into the bloodstream in a similar manner to oxygen uptake. It's then carried by red blood cells and dissolved in the plasma as bicarbonate or physically bound to hemoglobin for transport back to the lungs. Lung excretion. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is released from the blood into the alveoli and exhaled out of the body during the process of breathing. The circulation of blood through the body, along with the respiratory system's intake and expulsion of gases. ensures a continuous supply of oxygen and nutrients to cells while efficiently removing waste products like carbon dioxide. This coordinated functioning sustains cellular activities and overall bodily functions.